Hello, all. Myself is Dr. Navin Commodity, Associate Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. Welcome you all once again for this video for the course Principles of C Programming. Previous class we discussed about keywords and identifier as a part of token, C token. So now we'll learn about constants. What are the constants which we use in C program? So these constants are defined as identifier whose value does not change throughout the length of the program. Once we define a constant, we cannot change its value throughout the length of the program. Whereas variable value can be changed and updated over different iterations of a program, but we cannot change the constants. These constants used to define fixed values like pi or the charge on an electron so that their values does not get changed in the program even by mistake. For example, we define the acceleration due to gravity g is equal to 10.81, right? That we can use as it is throughout the length of the program. And then to declare a constant, precede the normal variable declaration with const keyword and assign it a value, right? For example, so if I want to define pi is equal to 3.14, so I am preceding the floating, which is the data type. Before that one, I can const, that is the keyword which I am preceding the whenever I am defining a constant. There is another way also for designating a constant, which is the preprocessor command define. In preprocessor command also we can define a constant, that is hash define pi 3.14159. Example, const int c underscore a is equal to 20. So here const int star const pointer equals ampersand c underscore variable. This is a pointer type of definition of a constant. That is, I am not directly defining the constant value. I am only giving the address of the variable or constant where it is stored in the computer memory location. So next type of token is C token is strings. Strings are nothing but an array of characters ended with a null character \0. Whenever you are writing a series of array having characters, in order to indicate the computer that this is the end of an array, we write \0 as a last character value. So this null character indicates the end of the string. Therefore, strings are always enclosed in double quotes, whereas a character is enclosed in single quotes. If we are writing a string, we enclose that in double quote. For example, geek for geeks, that is double quotes it is enclosed. Or if it is we are array of characters, if we are writing, we enclose that with single quote. So like you can see, last character is \0. Okay. So in C also has a special symbols, right? So there are many special symbols like brackets. So opening and closing brackets, square brackets are used as array element reference. So these indicate single and multi-dimensional subscripts. So there are also parentheses which we use as special symbols to indicate function calls and function parameters, and braces. So we many times use opening and closing braces to start at the end of a block of code containing more than one executable statement. Whenever you write sometimes a loop which is having only single statement, then it is not required to use these braces, but even if you use it won't make any difference. Similarly, comma is used to separate more than one statements, like for separating parameters in function calls. And there is also a colon. It is an operator that essentially invokes something called an initialization list. And so again, semicolons are there, asterisks are there, assignment operator is there, preprocessor as symbol. The processor is a macro processor that is used automatically by the compiler to transform your program before Similarly, we have period also, which is used to access member service structure or union, right? So for this your current syllabus, we don't have structures and pointers as well. Now, in the next video, we'll discuss about operators, to which is the last type of C token.